Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these quick and easy daisy flower earrings. They are super cute, beginner friendly and perfect for spring or summer vibes. To make these earrings, I have actually used embroidery thread along with the 1mm steel crochet hook. But today in the tutorial, I'll be using milk cotton yarn along with the 3mm crochet hook for you to see the stitches clearly. So let's get started. I'm going to be making the center part of the flower with this yellow color, and we will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this, and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And in the first round, we need to work 12 single crochets inside the magic ring. To make the single crochet, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now I have completed 2 single crochets into the magic ring. Like that we will continue. This is the 3rd single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. I'm going to pull this tail a little to make it smaller. 10, 11 and 12. Now I have completed 12 single crochets into the magic ring, and then we will leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that, I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then we will join the round by using the yarn needle, and I'm going to thread the yarn needle first, and then if you count from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, because we have completed 12 single crochets into the magic ring. But I'm going to go into the 11th stitch here, not to the 12th one. Now this is the first single crochet we made actually, so this is the second one. So I'm going to insert the needle into the second single crochet like this, and then go back into the last single crochet here as well. With that, you can see we have completed the last stitch. Alright, and then we will hide the tail in a few stitches. Now we are ready with the centerpiece of the flower. Now if you count carefully, you can see that we have 12 stitches around. This is what it looks like. And then we will get started with the second round, that is going to be the petals of the flower. So we will insert the hook into any one of the stitches around, and then I'm going to pull this white yarn through the stitch like this, so that we have a loop on our hook. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. And then I'm going to work a single crochet into the very same base stitch. So we will insert the hook into the same base stitch here and work a single crochet. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And I'm going to work over this tail on this round so that we don't have to worry about hiding this tail at the end. And then what I'm going to do is go into the very next stitch here and work 3 double trebles. To make the double treble, yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Then insert the hook into the next stitch here. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double treble. And then again we need to make another 2 double trebles into the very same stitch. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the same stitch here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again the third one, yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work a single crochet into the very next stitch here. So go into the next stitch and work a single crochet. With that we have completed the first petal of the flower. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and again work 3 double trebles into the very next stitch here. One, two, and 3. Again chain 3 and work a single crochet into the very next stitch here. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat all around to complete the other petals as well. So we will just repeat the pattern, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 3 double trebles into the next stitch. One, two, three, again chain 3 and a single crochet into the next stitch. Now we need to repeat the pattern 3 more times to complete the other petals. So complete the other petals and meet me back there at the end. Now I'm at the end of the round. I have completed 6 petals over here, and at the end of the last petal I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and leave a long tail for sewing, and we will cut the yarn off. And then I'm going to use the yarn needle to join the petal. What I'm going to do here is insert the needle into the first single crochet here, and again insert the needle into the last chain here as well. Alright, now we have completed the flower, and then I'm going to hide the tail. Now I have completed the same thing by using cotton yarn as well. This is what it looks like. You can see the difference of the size. And then we will see how to join these pieces together to complete the earrings. First I'm going to take the bigger jump ring and join 2 flowers together like this. Then again I'm going to attach another flower into the same piece. And then we will take the hook ear wire and another bigger jump ring and attach it to the jump ring like this. And I'm gonna insert a smaller jump ring into the same and close it up. And then I'm going to take another bigger jump ring and attach these 2 pieces together. Just slide the smaller jump ring into this, and this is what it looks like. And we will just do the same thing to complete the other one as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you loved making these daisy earrings. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative crochet ideas. See you in the next video.